Django-rest serializer and extra attributes from custom model fields. How can I pass extra attributes from my custom model field to the serializer? For example, I have this custom model field rest field, which has an extra attribute info which is true or false. Which is used in the following model, where I can pass the value of this custom attribute. And the following serializer. I want to be able to access the test1 info attribute just like I would be able to access the name1 max_length attribute. Is this possible? The goal is to eventually pass this attribute in the scheme overview, which can be retrieved with the options HTTP request. In test1 there should come an extra key.
Question 1. I want to be able to access the test1 info attribute, just like I would be able to access the name1 max_length attribute. Yes, you can access your info attribute by modelfield.model_field.info. You can see the example below. Question 2, for your final goal. I think you can customize your own metadata class. And don't forget to configure your default _metadata_ class settings. Settings.py.
Okay, got it. For everyone trying the same, adding extra quirks to Django models, passing them to the rest_framework serializer, and delivering them to the metadata scheme to get them in the options method in an API request. In this example, I add a quirk serial to a char field. First, extend django.db.models.char field and use it in a model. Models.py. Then create a new serializer for your new field type, for example, Asha field below, and extend the model serializer to create a mapping from the Django model Asha field to the serializer Asha field. Extend the build_standard_field method of the model serializer to add the extra quirks from the Django model Asha field to the serializer's Asha field. Serializers.py. Finally, extend simply metadata to pass the new quirks to the options method of your API and show it in the scheme. And adjust settings.py. Probably not neat yet, but this is the idea. TNX suit.